Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Chrome open, so act now. Hide visual clutter by toggling the bookmarks bar with Control plus Shift plus B, Shift plus CMD plus B on Mac. Once done, verify Chrome is up to date via menu help about Google Chrome so you avoid UI bugs. Make sure you know whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. The next steps differ slightly by OS. Don't pause for settings you won't use. Move straight to the UI controls I'll show next. Now remove the top Chrome by changing two UI controls. First, in Settings Appearance, toggle Use System Title Bar and Borders. Turn it off to let Chrome manage its own frame, or on if you prefer the OS frame. Experiment and pick the cleaner look. Then enter full screen with F11 on Windows or Control plus CMD plus F on Mac to hide every toolbar and the top bar entirely. If toolbars persist, disable extensions that add finish by locking in the layout you prefer. Keep the bookmarks bar hidden and use full screen when you need a clean view. To return to normal, press F11 or move the cursor to the top and click the Restore control. If the top bar still appears, troubleshoot by disabling extensions one at a time, then reset Chrome settings to defaults. This clears custom UI overrides. If problems persist, restart your machine and check for OS-level window manager settings that might force a title bar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.